Hello, Ebonyi People TV family. Guess what? The Chuba Okadigbo International Airport in Onueke is officially up and running. Well, this is no news, but this video is for those people who are still in doubt. You heard that right. For those people who have been saying, I'll believe it when I see it. Well, today's video is a very tangible evidence. It's time to put those doubts to rest because the asphalted runway is complete and operations have finally begun. And what better way to mark this milestone than with the presence of none other than Her Excellency Senator Oluremi Tinubu, First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Wow, she graced us with her presence, and trust me, it was a moment of pride and excitement for the entire state. Joining her were an impressive entourage: the wife of the Vice President, Her Excellency Ajiya Nana Shetima, the wives of the Speaker of the House of Representatives, the Deputy Senate President, and of course the National Security Advisor, plus 23 other First Ladies from across the 6 geopolitical zones of Nigeria. Talk about a star-studded event. In the spirit of the 2024 Ebonyi Women's Day celebration, this launch couldn't have come at a better time. Our own First Lady, Chief Mrs. Uzoamaka Mary Modlin, expressed her heartfelt gratitude to the quintessential wife of the President for granting us the honor of welcoming the federal government's top representatives to our beloved state and for officially launching the newly asphalted airport. Chief Mrs. Modlin's words were filled with appreciation as she thanked her. She said, "Mommy, mentor and boss, for making the trip despite a busy schedule. The warmth, humility and dedication shown by Her Excellency were evident, and it left an indelible mark on everyone present. To all who made this event a reality, from the organizing committee to the attendees, thank you so much." So she says, the contributions made this event a memorable success. Continue to stay tuned to Ebonyi People TV channel, and we'll see you in our next video.